whatever you want to start doing, the most important thing is how you start doing these things. That's why in Oriflame, when you join us and you start your Oriflame career, the most important thing is what kind of start are you having? How much information are you getting? Who is sharing this information with you? And how you're making sure to use the knowledge and information you got to develop your business in the fastest possible way. That's why in Oriflame we have a perfect start program, which is our 90 days onboarding program made especially for you, our new joiners, because we want to make sure you have the smoothest possible start of your Oriflame journey. You go to our website, you choose Perfect Start Onboarding Program. It has 3 modules connected to the way and the activities you need to do as a new brand partner, which is use, share, and invite. Use the products, build your story, share your excitement about the product, share the content online and offline, and invite your friends, your family, your relatives to join different events that your uplines and your sponsor are organizing. This way, you will have a lot of people listening to your story and making sure that they join Oriflame. So this Perfect Start is a 90 days, 3 months program, which is connected to our Welcome program as well. I would like to encourage you to complete the Welcome program as well. Place 150 BPs in the first month, second month, and third month, and you can earn up to 60,000 Naira or sometimes even more. Because the statistics have shown that all the brand partners joining the company and completing Perfect Start onboarding program and then all 3 steps of the Welcome program are proven to stay longer in Oriflame, they grow faster, they make more money, and they're more satisfied with their Oriflame journey. So Perfect Start program is something that we made especially for our new joiners, and I would like to really encourage you to go and complete the program at your own leisure. And then after that, when you finish it, you will get a certificate from Oriflame stating that you have completed the Perfect Start onboarding program. Share the certificate online, share it with your friends, and show them that you are the one who have completed the Perfect Start and that you are on your Oriflame success journey. Wishing you a lot of success in your Oriflame journey, and make sure to complete the Perfect Start as soon as possible.